Hello, good day. This is experiment number 2, part 2, transistor switching. For this experiment, the equipments are transistor, 100k ohms potentiometer, 10k ohms resistor, and also a relay, which is part of the industrial experimenter, and the buzzer. This is the relay component. It is a 12-volt DC. There are 5 parts of a relay: normally closed, normally open, common, and relay coil. And now for the connection for the transistor switch. For this wire is connected to normally closed, open, connected to the 12-volt DC, and connected to the coil 2, also connected to 12-volt DC, and the common, which is the 3, is connected to the negative buzzer, and this wire is connected from negative buzzer to ground, and coil 1 is connected to the collector of the transistor, and the resistor is connected from the base of the transistor to the potentiometer, and this wire from the emitter of the transistor is connected to the ground. This wire from terminal 3 of the potentiometer is connected to the 12-volt DC. And now we're going to switch on the industrial experimenter. While adjusting the potentiometer, it triggers the relay to open. That's all. Thank you for watching.